Alright, we're back. I decide what I want to do here. We're going to leave this tight for now because I need it for alignment. So I'm going to go ahead and put this case together on here. And then we're going to come back and put the cam cover on it. Tighten the cam cover down using this alignment tool because we're not going to have the cam in there no more. Then we're going to take the whole case off and I'm going to line ream the cam hole and then get that to work. So that's the plan for now. We still don't have any dowel pins here. These dowel pins aren't doing anything. See, they're just laying there. They're not really doing anything. Kind of in the way right now. But that'll be coming back off again, so I don't care. Alright, so right now we need to put our parts back together. Okay, let's see here. Here's our snap ring. There's our snap ring. Pulls the main bearing in, so kind of important to have that in there. Okay. So, snap ring is in the hole there. So now we gotta put the titty here through the small hole in the side of the case race to keep it from falling, keep it from rotating. So the snap ring holds it in. The titty keeps it from rotating. So it's all in there. It's like that, so the bearing can't fall out. Okay, we already got that already together. Okay, so out of the way. Oh, that's why I didn't have that together. What a dumbass. You got the gear on here, you can't have the washer in there. See what happens, you don't hang around here long enough to remember what you did last time. And probably the snap ring won't work either, I bet. That'd be correct. Snap ring did not work. So you can pull that back out. Like that. With these. Okay, that's out. Now I can put this case on. This is all for mock-up, not a permanent installation, so that's why some parts are being left out. Okay. together. Surprised me. It's alright. That's what I make dowel studs for. Line everything up. Oop. Now it goes together. Pull and press fit on that one. Washer. Okay. They're not very tight dowel pins, so they don't do a really good job of lining the cases. Better than nothing, but not the best. Aftermarket stuff is what it is. Okay, rotates nice and free, and all the rollers are falling out, which is exactly what I did not want to happen. I'm lucky they'll go back in. Looks like they did. Yep. Keep the crank this direction, not this direction. Gravity will let the rollers come out. Okay, make sure your surfaces up here are pretty close. They're not perfect, but they're good enough for what we're doing right now. Okay. Damn. Okay, now put this all back together. So now this is going to be really tight here, so it's going to give her good alignment. Hopefully everything else is pretty close. Okay, does not want to go on. Alright. Get this dowel pin out of here. Hello. I'm in the shop. Come on in. Alright, interruptions here in a minute. Can we get this dowel pin out of here? Nope. It is in there tight, and I just burred it up too, which I didn't want to do. Alright, let me pull that out of the puller. We'll get this thing pulled out of here, and we'll be back.
My bad.